You say you're woke, but you're half asleep, quoting slogans like a parrot on repeat, buying outrage into plastic rap, selling anger like a social app. You want a voice, then use your own. Stop posting truth that you've never known. Keyboard warrior likes and lies. Rage expires when the Wi-Fi dies.
It's louder now, but it don't mean sense. All this fury at others' expense.
You're just noise, nothing but noise. Screaming loud, but missing the point. You're just noise, hollow and proud. Say everything, but think nothing out. March in circles, hashtag parade. Armchair justice on full display. Truth's a mirror that you never clean. Just echo chambers and dopamine. No self-reflection, just projection. Hiding fear in fake conviction. Shout your truth with a secondhand scream, but truth ain't truth if it's part of a meme.
It's louder now, but it don't mean sense. All this fury at others' expense.
You're just noise.